Hey there, welcome back. Ran out of time on the other video, so here we are in part 2. We're going to discuss the entrees and the desserts. So for the organelle entree, what you're going to do is create a brochure or a pamphlet for an organization as an analogy to the cell. You will use each of the organelles listed right over here, and you're going to explain in one sentence per organelle why the organelle has the job. So an example would be a cell is like a school. Each organelle represents a job in the school. The principal could represent the nucleus since they're the boss. And then I need you to include at least 5 pictures. For the transport entree, you're going to create your own advertisement, and this could be paper, it could be a document, a video, a radio song, whatever media you want it to be, as long as it's appropriate, in favor of either active or passive transport. Make it informative and persuasive. Make people want to see your side that one transport is better than the other transport. So include the definition of the type of transport you chose, why it's important to the cell, and if you're doing a document, include at least 3 pictures. So if you choose to do an online document, I do suggest a Google slide. And this is because in Google Docs, it's like impossible to move around text boxes and put shapes where you want them. Where in Google Slide, you can just make a blank slide and then add all the elements that you want as far as pictures and text and shapes and backgrounds and word art and all the other elements you can do. So that's the transport entree. The cell membrane entree, you will create a physical model of the cell membrane. You can use anything you have around the house, cereal boxes, empty water bottles. I've seen people use like food and like make a cake. So take a picture of it and write a short paragraph about what the cell membrane does and what the function of each specific part of the membrane does. And you need to include phospholipid bilayer, integral protein channel, peripheral proteins, and carbohydrates. This page down here has a link, and it has a really good table explaining all the parts and purposes of the molecules embedded within the cellular membrane. So that does it for the entree. Moving on to dessert. Your organelle dessert, you could write a short story about an organelle and title it Day in the Life of Blank. And that blank will be like, if you choose mitochondria, Day in the Life of the Mitochondria, or nucleus or whatever. And so choose one organelle and describe what that organelle does in a typical day. You'll need to include at least 1 or 2 other organelles that your chosen organelle interacts with and describe that relationship. Include at least 2 pictures. I would suggest making your slideshow, make your book into a slideshow on Google Docs. That way you can add pictures and all sorts of things. It's again, just easier to move text, backgrounds, pictures, change the fonts, and all sorts of stuff. Transport dessert. Make a video, a song, a rap, a dance, a TikTok, describing either passive or active transport. All the content, such as songs, lyrics, dance moves, they all need to be appropriate. Include the chosen transport's function and its importance to the cell. Cell membrane dessert. You will make a physical model of a phospholipid. So use things around your house to create a hydrophilic head and a hydrophobic tail. And then just write me a short paragraph, 3 to 5 sentences, defining the hydrophilic head and hydrophobic tail. Explain the function of the phospholipid bilayer. And that is all we got. So I hope this helps you understand what we're talking about and what we want. If you have any questions, please read through the instructions, watch this video again, and then contact me. Thanks.